If you want to work on a particular note with other people, that is other team members, then you can easily add in collaborators as well. So to do that, you need to go around and click on a note that you want to collaborate with, and then you can go around over here and see collaborator is an option. Even when you create a new note right here, you can directly add in collaborators and access other options as well. But we're going to focus on an existing note that we have right here. So now an existing note is opened up, I'm going to go around under collaborator right here. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and type in the email address of the person that I want to collaborate with. So I'm just going to go around and type in YouTube channel 2 right here at gmail.com, and you can see I can add in a collaborator right here just like this. I can press comma and then you can see that the person has been added, and you can go around and add in multiple collaborators as well just like this, and press enter or press the check mark button, and you can even remove them as you can see right here. Once you're happy with the collaborators that you added, you can hit the save button, and then you can see those people right here. So you can see who has access to those particular notes. So once that is done, if the other people, they were to access their Google Keep, if they were to go on to their Google Keep, then they'll see this. It says shared from the other person right here. They can go around and click, and then they can simply start editing out the contents right here. So I'm just going to go around and make some changes, close this around, and if I were to go back right here, just like this, then what happens is that all of the changes that is made by the other user, it gets immediately updated as you can see. I can go around over here and then close this out, and then all of the changes will reflect over here just like this as well. And that is how you can go around and add in collaborators in notes inside of Google Keep. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.